Hi there, today we're unboxing a Philips Hue Smart Plug. The details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's take a quick look around the packaging. It comes in a small box, picture of the actual plug there, detailing app control, even got a Bluetooth icon there. Coming around this way, shows it's compatible on an iPhone and an Android device, Bluetooth connectivity and a Zigbee certified product. Coming around here, smart plug, integrate any lamp into your Hue setup, set timers and routines for automation, control with voice commands, pair with a bridge to use Hue accessories. Some additional details: supply voltage 220 to 240 volts, rated load current 13 amps, maximum power 2860 watts, and the product dimensions there, so 60 by 60 by 63.7 millimeters. Coming around here, just some branding and some details. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. Okay, so I've laid out what you get in the packaging. So it consists of some instructions and details on using the device and the device itself. So it comes initially covered in plastic. So if we just take that off. Looking at the front of the plug, it's got a nice matte white finish, and that's consistent all the way around. If I come in close, you can see max 13 amps, highlighted again here with a sticker. And if we come on the top, it says Philips, and you've got a button here. And if I come round here, just the plug point and highlighting Zigbee and Bluetooth on there. Build wise, very strong plastic on there, and I like the fact it's nice and compact. Let's make a start at setting up this smart plug. So it actually has three methods for setting this up. First one being via Bluetooth, next one being using the Philips Hue app, and then third one is using the Philips Hue Dimmer control. So let's try the first method first. So this is using Bluetooth. So I've got a power strip here I can plug this into, and just to note, the button is to override and reset. So if I plug it in, turn on the switch at the side, and now looking here, you can see a green light come on. If I plug in the light here, the green light indicates the device is on, and now if I press it, it goes to a red light, meaning it's off. So easy to manually control. And now to reset, very simple. You just literally hold on to the button here for about 10 seconds, and then you'll see it flash away in the corner, and there you go, it's just flashed, and that means it's reset. Let's make a start at setting this device up using Bluetooth. So if I go to the Play Store and we search for Philips Hue Bluetooth, that's the app we're after. Mine's already installed, so if you haven't got it installed, obviously install it. I'll click open and get started. Yes, I have Bluetooth lights, just select that. Now it's just asking for your name and email address. I've entered my details in, accepted the terms and conditions, and now I'm going to press next. And now it's saying use a voice assistant. We'll just say no for that. So no at the moment. Add light, and just make sure my Bluetooth's on, and it is. Let's give it a moment. And there you go, simple as that to add in. And now if I click done, there's the smart plug. I'll take my plug over here that's connected to the light there for testing purposes, turn it off via the top. You can see the light that was highlighted for the plug go off. And now if I click it here, it turns on, turns off. And just a note, if I go down there, you can create routines for it to do different things. So that was really easy. As you saw, in terms of setup, it can be set up without the Philips Hue Bridge. So excellent bit of functionality there, the fact you don't have to rely on that. Next, let me show how to get the device working with the Philips Hue Bridge. So I've got it plugged in and it's connected as well. And for my Android phone, if I go to the Play Store and I search for Philips Hue, that's the app we're after. Obviously, it's already set up on my device. If I click open, so now if I click on the cross, go to settings, light setup, and it says there's no lights. So before I click add light, let me reset this. If I hold on to the button for 10 seconds, it's just flashed away. Let me turn it off, turn it on. And now if I click add light and search, and there you go, it's found it. So now if I go back to home, create a new zone or room. So I'll say create a new room, living room, and we'll add in the selected plug, tick the box, and there you go, it's just down here. And now if I come back, you can see it there, As simple as that to turn on and off. Looks exactly the same as the Bluetooth version. And if I plug in the plug now, there you go. Easy as that. And clicking at the bottom, you've got the routine options available here, so you can even set timers for things to happen, just like the Bluetooth version. And coming back to home, clicking on the device, turning it on and off. So that's the options available in there, and it's as simple as that to get set up. Next, just to demonstrate the device working with both the Google Home and the Amazon Alexa. So if I initially go for the Amazon Alexa, we go turn on Hue Smart Plug 1.
Okay.
Turn off Hue Smart Plug 1.
Okay.
Turn on Hue Smart Plug 1.
Sure, turning Hue Smart Plug 1 on.
Turn off Hue Smart Plug 1.
Okay, turning off Hue Smart Plug 1.
There you go. Voice controls available as well if you're using the Philips Hue app. It's an excellent bit of functionality here. Next, let me show how to set up the device with the Philips Hue Dimmer Switch. So let's reset the plug again. So I'll hold on to the button for 10 seconds. Lights flashed away. Let me turn it off, turn it on. And now if I hold on to the on button on the remote, and now let's try it. There you go. If I now plug in the light, on, off, on, this does nothing. Obviously it's a dimmer switch, but shows the versatility of this plug. It can be controlled remotely via this remote. Just to note, once you've paired it with the dimmer switch, it won't work via the app. So it's either or option with this. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and setup of this Philips Hue Smart Plug. Excellent smart plug here. I was surprised. I didn't expect it to have so many connectivity options. Obviously, you've got the Bluetooth option, so you don't need the Philips Hue Bridge with this, or you've got the Philips Hue Bridge option, and then finally, you've got the Philips Hue Dimmer Switch option. So pretty cool and nice that it's flexible. You don't have to rely on having the bridge. So that was my biggest bugbear with these sort of things, that you're reliant on having to buy this. But with this particular one, you don't have to. The only qualm really here is the price. The price is quite high. It comes in at approximately £30 in the UK. For that price, you can buy multiple devices, not just a single one. So other than that, a great plug. I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.